We are on day one of our 66 Get Fit journey, and we have about 5 songs, easy. I'll keep it kind of basic, level 1, level 2. We are on the BCAN 40-inch soft land rebounder with the T-bar, place for your phone if you want. Let's get started with the warm-up. Put your hands on the bar if you have it. If not, you don't need it. And just start with a basic health bounce. Relax the shoulders. Engage the core, soften the knees. Push through the heels. Yes, just warming up. If you have to have one arm, it's okay. Just breathe in and push that air out. Let's do that again. Now, heel lifts. Very quiet trampoline. That's right. And back to health bounce. Just a little baby bounce. All right, let's go to the next one. Let's just walk left and right, feet flat on the mat. I'm not chasing yesterday. I'm not running from my age. I'm just waking up and choosing to turn another page. Got a little more wisdom and a few lifelines too. But this woman over 60 still has dreams to follow through. Do you have dreams to follow through? Step touch. This bar is adjustable, which is cool. Adjust to your height. Now heels. Keep the feet flat though. Good. Okay, take a little break here. Step touch. You can keep your hands here or swing. And back, push back. Squeeze the glute as you come back. When you come back, squeeze that glute. Don't arch your back though, keep your alignment good. Keep your head lifted. Good posture, good form. Now let's go to toe taps. Yeah, all right. Almost done. Keeping this one short. Up and back. Lead with the left or the right, doesn't matter, because we're going to switch. And switch. Bounce a little bit. My feet are still flat. And we're going to switch. Step forward and step back. Forward and back. Switch. Other side. Forward. Out, in. Out, out, in, in. Out, out, in, in. Switch to the other side. Woo, all right. Little tropical vibe here. Gonna do a sway. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Now, singles. Just sway. We're pushing with the heels. Got it? Yes. Other side. If you want, go at your pace. All right. Okay, we're gonna do knees up.
Finish the race with joy in my heart. One faithful step is a beautiful start.
Now open up the hips to the side. Whew, my hips are sore. Yep, cleaned my house all day. A little sore today. And back to the front. Whew. Feeling it. If you want to add a bounce, you can. You can bounce, keeping it low impact. All right, last song, we're just going to slow it down, do a little stretching. Each day we'll progress a little bit faster, so you can stay tuned for that. Okay, just breathe in, blow the air out, stretch down a little bit. You're pushing the hips back though. You don't want to go over the knees, so push the hips back. Stretch. Ah, feels good, yeah. And breathe. And lean over a little bit. Stretch out the side.
Little by little, I'll do my
And the other side.
with a willing body.
Yep. Now we're gonna grab back here. Pull your arms up.
I feel weak, you make
Squat a little
me
bit.
strong.
Not too much.
When I fall short, you lead me.
Bring it all the way around and give yourself a hug. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me on the BCAN BT4 Soft Land Rebounder. It will be in the description if you want to know all about it. It is on sale May 25th through the 31st. All right? If you have any questions, please reach out to me. See you next time on Rebounding with Cheryl. Bye.